First, let's talk about what food freedom is not. Food freedom is not throwing caution to the wind when it comes to what you eat and how you eat. Food freedom is not giving a care in the world to nutritional content. It's not giving a care in the world to how much you consume of a certain food. Food freedom is not eating whatever you're craving in the moment. Food freedom is not demonizing certain foods as bad and avoiding them or cutting them out of your diet and regarding other foods as good. Food freedom is also not the same thing as eating to lose weight. But what I will say is, when you learn true food freedom, you'll learn how to eat in such a way that you're making healthier food choices that support you making weight loss progress. If you're enjoying this video so far, let me know down below by hitting the thumbs up button. Thanks so much for doing that. I really appreciate it. Okay, let's talk about what food freedom actually is. Food freedom is an approach to food that improves your relationship and interaction with food. Food freedom is you actively choosing to reject the crazy, unrealistic, unsustainable diet culture food rules that are so prevalent today. Food freedom is choosing to enjoy all foods that God has given you in moderation and with wisdom. Food freedom is learning to understand and be aware of your body's hunger level so you know when you should start eating, and being aware of your body's fullness level so you know when you should push the plate away and stop eating. Food freedom is you taking it upon yourself to learn the simple nutritional basics without overwhelming yourself and getting stressed out by it, but understanding that I should probably know the basics so I can work those. Okay, now that you know what food freedom is not and also what it actually is, how do you get it? Well, I'm glad you asked. I want you to click right here into this playlist of other similar videos that I've done where I teach you exactly how to find food freedom and have sustainable weight loss success. Click into this video and I'll see you over there.